Good morning, everyone. Hello, hello. This is your simple and fun family. Excuses, everyone. Today, I go walking, everyone. I have to go walking because I have a time. Then, when I'm back, I have to cook I have already the small rice, everyone, for my daughter. My daughter like rice, yeah. Small, only 1 cup, only I make one. I have to go now, everyone. We go together, everybody. Walking po tayo, walking. We go straight on everyone, huh? Guys, you have to go in the street. Yeah. In the street ahead. In the street, and we go everyone. Over there, yeah. I have to go now, yeah. Because I think the raining is coming. 75% today is raining. He said already, yeah. I do not bring the umbrella. It's not necessary, everybody. My coat is good for raining. This one, is good one for raining, yeah. So I have to go now, everyone. Let's go together. Hi. Let's go together, everybody. Yes, only for 1 hour, everyone. Yeah. Let's go, everyone. Go together. The horse is coming. We will go this side, everyone. Go up the up. Very quiet, everyone. Here is our village, yeah. My village. Hi. Yeah. Very quiet. Very quiet, everybody. Nice flowers, everyone. Very quiet. We have to go this side, everyone. Yeah. It's not all the same. We go here the other side. Yeah. It's nice also here and there. We go down over there. Yeah. We go down there. Very quiet, everybody, because everybody will go for working, and then the kids is in the school. That's why I have a time for 1 hour only. Everyone, that nice, nice trees, everyone. Oh, nice color tree. I had a nice garden. Here is to go down, everyone. You have to go over there, yeah, down. Ah, very quiet the house, everyone. Look, very quiet. Yeah. Ah, nice apartment. Oh, nice apartment, everyone. Nice apartment. Yeah. Look the house. Oh, very quiet the house. Yeah. Many flowers now around because of the summer. Yeah. Coming. Ah, the grapes is coming. Mine also in the front of the house coming now. Grapes. Yeah. Simple house and everyone. Oh, look. Simple house plot. But very nice. Yeah. There is at underground. Underground. Yeah. First time I meet a big everyone here. This side. Ah, garden. Where is the garden? Yeah. Very quiet everyone. Yeah. Very quiet. We have to go all together. Samahan niyo po ako. Mag-walking po tayo. Ah, yes, very nice. Mini box. Very nice. Very quiet. Yeah. We have to go down now. Yeah. Very nice. Very quiet. Everyone. Look. The house there. We have to go down now. They are not so long, everyone. Because when I go home, when I'm back, I have to cook the rice. Yeah. We go this side, everyone. Yeah. Let's go together. Ah, nice flowers. Oh, white. Yeah. White. Nah, even the grass have flowers, everyone. Have a flowers, even the grass. Yeah. Yeah. Walking is everybody. Yeah. Just only for quickly. Yeah. Quickly. I don't like to drive my scooter because a scooter very fast. I cannot make a video. I cannot very fast. Yeah. We go to the co everyone, the cows, yeah. Many cows, everyone. Very long the grass now, yeah. Very long. Sus, tambukan mga cows, everyone. Oh, tambuk, very fat cow. That is the land of my husband, everyone. Oh, here is the land. It's only 900 square meter. The farmers will be used for animals, everyone, yeah. Sus, tambuka cow, everyone. Look, oh, there, oh. Very fat. They produce, I think, milk. They produce milk, I think. Very fresh to eat the grass, yeah. The cow. That is the nose tree. The nose tree. Sometimes I get here a nose, yeah, I eat. That is the tree of my husband, yeah. Look everyone, oh, very quiet here, also apartment here, oh, look, oh. Very quiet, everybody. Very quiet, yeah. Maybe later I have to wash laundry, everyone. By Friday morning, I have a appointment, my teeth again. Diyos ko, God. My teeth again, everyone, I have to go. You make only ultrasound, everyone, x-ray for my teeth. After I go home, yeah. That there is the look, there is the hole or not. Yeah. Make, yeah. I have to be take care, yeah. I hope it's no more bangag my teeth, yeah. 12 minutes but we are oy. I do not want to go in the house when I go in when I make something, yeah. First, everyone, I was in the garden. I plant the sayuti. So kahanam ni siya anak, oy, pila ko bug inahan ani. Sus, tambuka mga itoy, oh. Tambuka, dalmas yan, pakulor, oh. Sam. Ay, katambok marin niyo, oy. Very young para to the mothers, some of this one is two children, some is the duhang anak, some, yeah. Hinduta, oy, very good. Ay, cows eat fresh grass, yeah. Tambuka po siya mga anak, oy, very good. Diin, managway nagikan ni export Indian pilik this kind of cow. Very nice the cows, yeah. Tambuka mga cows, oy. So, lami aglawas mga itoy do. Very tambuk, everyone, very fat, yeah. Very fat. Yeah, have a number, everyone. That is the style, everyone, have a number and have a bill. Because when something is missing, go out in the railing. The railing cannot go out at some, they will go out, yeah. Have electric, the railing, it's only 2 stick railing, yeah. You have electric, that, yeah. But if there is go out when they will go out, then they will pound. That's why there is the noise, yeah. There is the bill of the neck. You will put the bill and the number of the ears, yeah. That more easy to the owner when is missing some cows, yeah. What a nice, yeah. Ay. Ay, katambok ini mga kabayo. Buka ni mga Bakaha oy oh, very young pa oh. Very tambok man mo oy, very fat. Very wow ya. Hello? You make break? You make a break? Huh? What a nice ya. Make a break everyone ah. The other doesn't eat. Make a break ya. Ah, dagkong baka. Sos sa Pinas na kwarta na nila. Tambuka oy. Dari patli man patya pat. Ay, agkoy murag buntis ning usa ako dako ag tiyan oh. Murag buntis ning usa dako kay tiyan. Ikapoy na siya na. Mahigda ra. Sos kalamiaw sa Pinas pa mo. Raghanon ba? So nice. Have a bill everyone, have a bill. Underneath there is Dalmatian color ora. Very nice color the others oh. I think that is export everyone. From India, I don't know. The style of the cow here is like that, very big, very fat, yeah. Very big, very fat. There is the other also everyone, yeah. We go to the other side, there is the other as well. Ay, the cows, you know, oh my God, tambuka. So, sana all. Sana all. Mayroong cow like that, yeah. The other, drink water. Very nice color. The other one is like Dalmatian, oh. Like a Dalmatian. So nice. Ay, the boys is different. They doesn't mix together with the female everyone. The boys is there, the female is there, the mother, the mother and the children, yeah. But the other one is there, the boys different, yeah. They doesn't put together. They don't wanna put together everyone. You have to go down everybody. I like to down only kay kakuya up. Kapoy na upstairs. Oh, I'm alone. I'm scared upstairs because I'm alone. I don't like to go up yet. Later after lunch, I have to own laundry. Everybody, guys, I have to own laundry again. Then I have to make something regarding yeah. Make something. Hi, we was last Sunday in the Paris. Yeah, I do not make it a video. It's not good my video last time. Yeah. I delete yeah. Because I'm very kapuya, I'm very hangak. Hangak. Na-tired si Lisa. Ay, gisiparit nila ang mga boys nga cows everyone. Oh, gisiparit nila. Wala iipon sa mga mother kay mabuntis ug dali ang mga mother kay iipon. Look at that order there. You will separate the boys yeah. It's not together to the female. The male is separate. Mag-sunglass ata oy kay yung sun oy. Sun direct in my eyes yeah. Yeah. Sunglass ata everyone. Nahawan yun agras nga igawas ang mga cow. Nahawan. There is the goat, everyone. Oh, goat, not everyone. There, oh, kanding. Yeah, kanding. That is the kanding there. Black and white, also the kanding there. Together, kanding in the shape, yeah. Are aware a little bit, everyone. We go walking now, everyone. We go together, guys. Walking, guys. Samahan niyo po ako, guys. Kay wala pa'y uwan, guys. Kung raining, go home, Lisa. Airplane. There, sos. Oh, mapitilizer, eh. Here, takay the other side is traffic here. Anybody will clean the road. Anybody will clean the road, the machine. The grass here, everyone. Oh, you can get flowers for free, That is the grass, yeah. So many flowers, everyone. The airplane, everyone there. Sos. Sayang. The airplane is in the clouds, everyone. Cannot see. Yeah. Let's go together, everybody. Hi, guys. 20 minutes pa we are, guys. 20 minutes pa. $20. So, 1 minutin pa we are. You can sit down here, everyone. Oh, that is a sitting for people. Yeah. It is tired, yeah. They clean the road over there. Machine, the noisy. Here only I walk, everyone. It's only here. Nobody here, everyone. The other is the one lady over there. Nobody. It's only me here. Look, everyone over there. Oh. Anybody is cleaning the road. Anybody. That is from the workers of the municipal. We clean the road, everyone. Here in Switzerland, no more dirty, everyone. Very clean. You cannot see here plastic. No. Everybody here behave. Some people only is not follow the rules, throw away. But they will clean that, everyone. Everybody will clean. Very clean. This country is very clean. It's not dirty. You cannot throw away because the things is separate, yeah. The bottle, the stainless, aluminum, separate that, yeah. The cans, paper and carton, separate all. It's not all together, everyone, no. All is separate, yeah. There is the box of that separate, yeah. Throw away. You cannot throw all together, no. It's not allowed. Otherwise, you have penalty. Because all over here have camera, everyone. All over have a camera, yeah. Just only here, everyone. No camera here in Porak. And the farmers, no. But in the autobahn, in the store, inside and outside, so many. In the area of the throw away the bottles, there is a camera. Look at there, everyone. Very nice. All is dark green, everyone. Last time is the light green. Now it's the dark green. Very quick. We will plant mais, everyone. Oh, look, oh. Mais na. Wow. The bus, everyone is there. Gihin us in the shopping table, shopping store. Wow. Have a mais na, oh. Sus. In the Philippines, very good. And if you have a 1 hectare. 1 hectare for a plant Very nice na na-survive na there. Puro na mais ba planting. Saon itong akong yuta everyone. Kargadong bato. Batuan. Pero matamnan na siya. Pero mini stone ya. But mini stone. I see to my family plant. Any kind of plant that you can harvest ya. Not always buy and buy. Buy and buy is not good. Ay, I hope mabuhir akong sayuti everybody. Oy, I plant already everyone. Guys, I plant already sayuti. Today morning, I gave to my friend. And I plant direct to the garden. 2 pieces, yeah. I am very happy she will give me. She'll give me now because I have to plant, she said, yeah. And do you know is the she will go in the holiday. That's why I will get her sayuti, yeah. She give me 2. She go in the Tisin 2 weeks, yeah. Because the husband has a pray. Every year that she go in Tisin, everyone. She go only sleeping in the tent. Just only the area for the tent you have to pay. But it's nice, yeah, because much more cheaper than the hotel. Hotel is so 2 years mahal. Expensive. We go straight ahead everyone and go back, yeah. Go back. This kind of plant everyone is good for the they mix to the bread. Mix to the bread, yeah. It's like a nuts, yeah. Small one is like a humay. Mix in the bread everyone, very nice, yeah. And the leaves of that, the body will make it ready for the winter foods for the animals, yeah. Hello. He's walking also there. I do not make it in the piece because we have to give respect because she is the friend of my the together in the religion of my daughter, her daughter. She is Catholic as well. I do not talk only hello only. I make it only straight ahead and back, yeah. Straight ahead, Lisa, and then back the bus again da. Every 7 minutes is the bus da all ko. 5 minutes I think or 7 minutes the bus is there, yeah. As always and forever bus, yeah. They will plant also here everyone. Oh, I don't know what kind of plant there. Oh, we plant also. We plant, yeah. The best plant here is the potato. Very good potato, everyone. There is the name of the plant. Or you will make it a stick already, everyone. Or very high stick, the loco. There is the name. I think potato. Like this one. Maybe it's potato because it's a little bit up. Naman a little bit up. It's like a vulcan. Yeah. Very nice a potato, my friend. Oy, mini, oy. She plant already, oy. She plant already potatoes, yeah. Very nice, very big garden she is, yeah. Me, I don't have big garden. I don't have small garden only I have. Very small. It's not big. We go only straight ahead and then we go back everyone. I have to go back because I have to prepare lunch, yeah. Then after that, I have to on the laundry 2 times. I think 2 times. Good exercise. I was already in Migros store. I buy the sandwich for my son because tomorrow he has a special trip tomorrow. Yeah, he said to me I have to buy a sandwich. Yeah, that he can eat. Buy a sandwich everyone that he can eat. Yeah, because in the trip is no need to go to restaurant. I buy 2 sandwich. He can select what and Coca-Cola, iced tea, and water. It's enough. Eh, maybe we have to go back now, everyone. I'm getting tired, everybody. Maybe I go back now. I'm getting tired to go there. I have to cook. Then I have to wash the laundry. We go back now, everyone. I'm very boring here because I'm alone here. I'm alone. So it's better. We have to go home now. Go back to the house, everybody. Because I have to well cooking and rice. Rice, I cook the rice. My daughter said, rice, mama. Rice is life, everyone. Yes, only 1 cup I make it. Small cup of the small cup. Yeah. I'm happy if I have dry fish from Philippines. I hope I order already everyone 1 kilo. Yeah. My family will bring me dry fish 1 kilo. Look, oh, the bus. The bus, oh. The bus, everyone. Oh. After everyone, there is other bus coming. Yeah. Hi, very nice. The plant, oh. Don't know. You will put the name already there. That is the friend of my husband. Everyone, the owner here. Friend of my husband. Our land there, we can plant, no problem. Because my husband and two brothers, the owner. Three boys. They said to me that I am the one who take care. Kapoy. Kanang, ay, I'm tired of that, no. So okay in the house. We go walking pa for the maguna. All here is the machine they will use. When it's big, yeah. But I like the problem is it's not so dool sa balay. Little bit far. They will cut there. They will clean the side of the road. The trees. It's the arbeiten municipal workers, yeah. Ay, getting tired, everyone. Ay. Very dark now. Oh, look, oh, the plant is very dark, yeah. You cannot see if there is a wild Bambi inside. You cannot, because a little bit long now. Long. Almost I go out the nose. That is like humay. Almost go out now. Almost na. Ay, I'm happy because it's not raining, everyone. Kapuyan, it's raining. Autobahn to the other side, everyone. Autobahn Awan. Awan, yeah. Interstate Awan. that here everyone very quiet, yeah. Very quiet, yeah. This place, yeah. Nobody is very noisy, no. Wala. Nobody. Just only the, the service, yeah. Just only service is noisy. Enjoy it, everyone. I hope you will subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like and share, and also to my Facebook. Please. Malaking tulong na po everybody. Guys, hindi lang po para sa akin. Sana po. I hope everyone. Go back to the house, everyone. Guys, I have to cook a little bit, yeah. And I have to own the laundry. This Friday morning, I cannot do. I have to go to the dentist for the quickly 30 minutes ultrasound my teeth. Yes, only for quickly, she said to me, but she told me I don't have to pay. That is only for free. She gave me for free. I said, because I don't have a job. Uy. I pay already last time too much. Yeah. Now she give me for free for ultrasound. But I have to go. That she can see to my teeth I have a bangag or not. Yeah. Ay, Diyos ko God. I hope all is okay. Very expensive everyone. Uy, grabe. Grabe kamahal dito. Grabe, very expensive. Diyos ko. Very nice. Oh, if you have 1 hectare like that for mais is survive the kind of Philippines. Oy. Then ibaligya. Magaling. Survive na. Oy. Sayang lang, wala lang po tayong pera pang bili ng lan. Daming lan ay dami na pong lana for sale. Walang pera. Sayang. Mayroon pa lang ako everyone. So, bili po tayo for a future ba, mga anak. Sa mga anak, tsaka sa pamilya. Magkatanim po sila. Ay, lingi-lingi. Tas luyo everyone. Kaya alone sila. Uy. Ay, sometimes makuratan si Lisa kaya naibaik ka padung. Hindi ta mulingi. Makuratan ta, uy. Electro bike, very fast. Pass with you in the back. Manervyos everyone, uy. Nervyos. Now is how many minutes? 39 minutes everyone, yeah. Maybe 60 minutes we are in the house, maybe. I don't know. Or 1 hour, I think. I don't know. We will see. It's depend upon of my walking. I cannot make video everyone if I go with the scooter. The scooter is very quick in the house back, yeah. Nah, many flowers are over here. You can get that for free, everybody. I have allergy. Katul. Mga atul si Lisa na. I cannot. Nami ay ikaw og buwad everyone, oy. Nami ikaon og buwad na ako buwad dito nga from Thailand. Jesus. Lain maglami oy, di man parehas Pinas oy, lahi ra. Lahi ra. Now this way to go to the other side, everyone. That yeah. We do not go there. Many ways if you like to go many. So many way. This way I have to go back. Yeah. Ay, namis ko kumain ng ano, kaleritas. Kambing kaleritas. Sa kalitson ng baboy panit. Anyway, I can make it man here lechon everyone. No problem, lechon baboy, no problem. I can make it here, no problem. Just only kaleritas na kambing I like ya. So slow ko tata grass ora. Many colors, flowers everyone. You can get that everyone for free. Very nice flowers everybody. Look, look, so nice, yeah. You can get that for free. It's no problem, yeah. Many will do that, yeah. They will put in the flower base in the house, many. But me, I do not do. Because I have allergy. Very katul, yeah, after katul. Kambing there, one ora, kambing. That's why I think about the kaleritas, guys. Sur kambing, yeah, kambing. Yeah. So the farmers, naghanang animals, farmers. Many animals, the farmers. Many. They will make it export, yeah. But mahal at everyone, mahal. Very mahal, expensive that the young cow, very expensive here. The meat is very expensive, yeah. That is the very expensive meat of that, yeah. You will sell not everybody. That's why they like to make it mini. You will sell. It's like a humay everyone, or the flowers go out. That is the flowers after that. It's like a humay. When it's dry, that patay, you make harvest, yeah. You make it a harvesting. The machine will make harvest, yeah. You go out na the flowers, look. Guys, like a humay everyone, oh. That is like a humay. It's like a humay everyone. That is, guys, yeah. You mix it that in the bread. That's why the bread is very yummy. Very yummy, yeah. Here, very special here, yeah. Very special. Magpugi lang, pili yung kagutumon. Magpugi. Ako ang amiga, ako ang garden, naghanang tanong mo. Mini plant na si Isya. Me is very small only. Because my daughter is, she like para trampoline to, jumping, trampoline. I like to throw away trampoline because it's already, guba na ba? My daughter doesn't like, she like jumping, boy. I like to throw away. She like to jump, man. Wala na isipir trampoline because it's already nasira na. She like to jump. Next year I throw it. My husband said wait a little bit next year, yeah. Because I like to plant many kinds of vegetables, yeah, that we can save. You don't always buy and buy. Yeah, my friend, very big. She have mini now. She has a mini. Look the grass. White flowers, the white. Yeah. Ay, just go. So many. We go back now, everyone. Right? I have to drink a coffee. I'm a little bit hungry, everybody. Hungry, Lisa, because I'm moving already. The body in the morning, yeah. Needs a power now. Needs a power. Here is the village I live, everyone. That is the village I live. But I am in the distance of the apartment, yeah. I am in the middle, middle of apartment. There over there up a little bit, yeah, up and up, yeah. Ah, bus again, there. Friday, I ride at Friday morning. Friday morning, I have to ride, yeah. Ah, mini apartment, everyone. Okay. Mahalat, everyone. Guys, very too here at, yeah. Yeah. Buran, nagpapil atong lawas, sinisigi taglakaw, din. Wala tayo. A lot of energy. Nice tree. Nice color tree. Yeah. Flowers. Apartment ito, man. Ini apartment ko. Yeah. Ini. Go back na everyone. We are almost in the house. We're upstairs, yeah. Yeah. Go back na ta. Ini apartment, yeah. For minutes, wow, everybody. Yeah. Yeah. Nice of flowers. Oh. Nice flowers. 40 minutes pa. 48 eh, 48. Maybe 50 we are in the house. Yeah. 50 over, yeah. Nice flowers. Oh. Very quiet, everybody. Oh. Very quiet. Oh, tataka sa ta everyone. Sa kuno na mo ah. Among balay sa kuno niya. Our house is a little bit up, yeah. Yeah, the holes. That is the railing of the house, yeah. That is a way to the river, everyone. Yeah, the way to the river, yeah. I do not go to the river today. Next time. Hi, we're almost in the house, everybody. The body is there, working there, working. My neighbors, yeah. Almost 16 minutes, everyone. So, we are now back. Yeah, clouds, everyone. Go back now. We go inside, everybody. Hi. We go now inside. I prepare our lunch, everyone. I'm here now. Preparing our lunch, everybody. I have to lock the door because, we are beside of the door. Here, beside of the door. The door, beside of the road. Beside of the road we live. And then, we will open, come here. And it's not Swiss, ba? It's not Swiss yet. That's why we have to lock always the door, yeah. Lock it always, yeah. Don't forget, Lisa. Yeah, everybody. I have to cook rice, everyone. My daughter said they have to cook rice, mama. My daughter, Lisa, like with rice. Rice is life, everyone. Rice is life. That's true. So, I put this one in the hanger, everyone, ha? Wait, guys. Hoy, maayo ganit kayo pa muuwan. Ito maabtig ulan, ya. Natin raining, ya. I take off my shoes, everybody. Wait, everyone. Take off the shoes, guys. Kay gikan tangga walking ulan. Ay, Diyos ko, God. Diyos ko. Patawarin mo ako. All is okay, everybody. You have to go to the kitchen and cook the rice because my daughter is coming soon. Is still in working, everyone, guys. So if not in working, kapuya. Maamang na Lisa. Then I make a delete again. Come here, everyone. Let's go in the kitchen, everybody, because I have to cook the rice. Hi. Mag-cook sa tag-rice, everyone. Kay sus, rice is life, everybody. Uy, that's true. Rice is life. Walang rice, wala po tayong power. We open sa a little bit, yeah. Yeah. I hope you are okay, everybody. Mahinaw sa Lisa, everyone. I have to wash my hands, Snell. Quick. Snail is the quick, everyone, yeah. Maghanwasa ta kay. Kinahanglan tang magwash hands kay da. Even you do not touch there, but isa kinahanglan yung magwash kay. Ang ang bacteria. So, here is the caldero. I do not use rice cooker, everybody, because I will cook the rice, everyone. Guys, it's very small, only I cook. It's not mini. The rice cooker is very big. Very big, my rice cooker, everybody. So, I will use only the small, small only. Okay. Important maka-eat si Madam Auring rice, ya. Ay, Diyos ko, God. Asan hugasan, everyone, ang rice. 2 times ang magod, everybody. 2 times I make it wash the rice. It's not many times, ya. 2 times. $11 o'clock na, oy, look, oh. 11 o'clock na, 1 hour only I have. Enough for everybody, 1 hour, enough. If you have 1 hour every day for walking, is very nice, yeah. Very nice. Later, I cannot walk na kay my daughter is a pre na. She has a pre after lunch, so I have to wash the laundry. She is here only. I have to wash the laundry. Friday, I have a termin. Dentist, yeah. Ultrasound only, quickly. She told me 15 bis, 20 bis, 30 minutes or ultrasound, X-ray. My mouth, yeah, my teeth. I said okay, because she told me just only for prayer. I said I hope so, yeah, because I have a bill already coming soon. My bill, everyone, for my teeth coming. My bill is coming, yeah. I don't know how much a bill I have, yeah, because she make already my teeth nicely. I don't know how much my bill. I don't know. Lagyan na to ng small asin, everyone, asin, ya, salt, para dili siya madali og kakuan ka daot ba. Pahinayan lang nato, everybody, ha. So I have to on my hot water because I like to drink coffee, everyone. Guys, mga po tayo, guys. Magkape po tayo. Kape po tayo. Para mainta na itong tiyan, ya. May coffee machine po kami, everyone. I have coffee machine, but I like the Nescafe. I like. Just only one. Very big, this one. So, hi, everybody. Let's do it. Let's drink coffee, everyone. Magkape ta kayo. Needs power, everybody. Oy. It's a power, Lisa. Oy. Hawak mo ang gift, hawak mo ang saya. Sa bawat galaw, hawak mo ang pipigilan hanggang sa muling tugtog ng sayawan. Makapot na Diyos Lisa ni everyone. Guys, it's getting tired is Lisa guys, but moving, everybody moving. May bakis na si everyone, wait ya. Combate, fight ya. So that is my life, everybody ya. My life is like this. Simple and fun, family only. Just only a simple everyone. I hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and share. Please do it. Thank you. Thank you guys. Buhat sa kapi guys kay sus. Nahanglan mainta tiyan ya. It's not pure coffee I make everyone. I will put half milk. I put the milk everyone milk. I cannot sleep direct when is pure black coffee. I have to put with milk yeah. I said to my daughter, come home direct in 1 hour, everyone. My daughter is here. 11 o'clock pa here, everyone. 11 o'clock, guys, here. I have to prepare my son. Tomorrow has a special treat, yeah. He said to me, Ma, don't forget. Ma, don't forget. Buy me ma for sandwich or something because they cannot go to the restaurant, everyone. All the classmates has to bring something for eating. Something for eating. And my daughter is next week, I think. Oh, next week. She go to the forest, all the classmates as well. They will make the grill there, Serbila. Sausage, only everyone, sausage. Then I have to give bread as well, bread. And she told me I have to make the salad, yeah. Pahit na everyone, if you have a bread and the salad is with or I can make it the Serbila salad is with bread is pahit na. Drinks at everyone, coffee everyone. Guys, we drink coffee guys. My coffee guys, look, very big my cup everybody. Oh, from Norway, Norway. Sweden. Sweden cup I have everyone. Next time we go again Sweden, everybody, my husband and me, I am looking for the computer for where we have to go. We have to book hotel, yeah. My son is like to go to Sweden, back to Sweden, yeah, for holiday. I said, okay, no problem, yeah. Cheers, everyone. I drink now, everybody. Coffee. Diyos ko, everyone. Tired, everybody, oy. Very tired, Lisa, oy. My mailbox, Burger King or McDonald's, they will send here. They will send here. Every box have like this, every mailbox you have. My son said, Ma, I have to bring this one, Ma, to the Saturday, Ma. I have to go with my classmate, go outing, Mama. I said, yeah, eat there. You can eat something with your classmate there. You like to go outing, everyone. I said, yeah, you are enough out, enough. Your age is okay, you can go. I ate everyone. I ate a snack, everybody. Ito tayo everyone. Hungry Lisa everybody ya. Kain po tayo. Snack po tayo everybody. I was to the store this morning everyone. I buy this one ya. Because I buy for my son for tomorrow ya. Trip. There's a trip tomorrow ya. I hope you enjoy it everyone. Guys, enjoy it. Take care all of you. Miss you all. Kailangan pong magkape at saka mag-eat ng snack ay walang power pag walang eating. No energy. Kailangan tayo mag-energy. Malapit ng birthday ko everyone. Almost na. Surprise po kayo. And also to my Facebook page everyone. Wala pa tayo guys. Iwan ko po kung kailan. Kailangan pa tayo magtiis ya. Walang-wala pa. Di lang. Yan po ang buhay. Kailangan magtiis ya. Tiyaga lang. Tiyaga lang tayo. Tiis talaga. Magtiis. Kailangan magtiis ya. Hanggang mayroon. Yan po ang life ya. Buhay. Sa ngayon ay zero pa ako everyone. Zero pa. Wala pang amount. Is pa doon. Is pa sa sa aking board. Is pa saka zero. Wala pang amount. Sana may mag-send po sa akin ng star. Saka don't forget to subscribe, like and share. I'm very happy if I have followers everyone. Yeah, I'm very happy. Itong ginawa ko, hindi lang po ay para sa akin. Ito ay para sa lahat ya. Parang investment lang ba? Parang investment. Pero wala pa. Wala pa, zero pa. Zero balance, Panlisa ya. Tiis lang ya. Pray lang kay God ya. God na po ang bahala sa lahat ya. Sana po. May dumating po sa akin na na grasya. Wala pa everybody, wala. Walang wala. Di lang. Yan po ang buhay. Ang buhay po, pawidir-widir lang po, widir-widir. Ay, hindi po chili na mukhang dayon everyone. Hindi po chili. Dahan-dahan lang po, basta slowly lang. Slowly but surely. Yan po ang sa akin. Hindi po kagaya sa iba na madami na po sila. Pero okay lang po sa akin everyone. Kung anong mayroon po sa akin, no problem. It's okay, no problem. Yeah. Hindi ko po i-compare sa iba ang life ko. Iba-iba talaga ang buhay. Iba. Different ya. All is not the same. All is different ya. Tiis lang po. Tiis at saka tiyaga. Mahirap man pero okay lang po sa akin. Kailangan po tayong lumaban sa buhay at saka free from the above ya. Free kay God. That is a very important ya. Kailangan po everyone ya. Sana po, I hope you subscribe. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, everyone, guys. Like and share, and also to my Facebook page, please. Malaking tulong na po, everybody. Malaking tulong po, everyone. Guys. Kasi hindi pa tayo makatulong. Walang-wala pa. Sana mayroon. Sana mayroong dumating ya na grasya galing kay God. Ay, Diyos ko, God. Kahit everyone, wala. Hindi po ako magpa-party sa birthday ko. 50 years old po ako. May 26, everyone. Guys. Walang party, guys. Iba po dito. Makain lang po kami sa restaurant. Yan lang po. Simple lang. Walang party-party po dito. Iba po dito. Sabi ko ng husband ko po at saka June po sa kanya at saka May po sa akin. July po ng aking anak. Ang special ko pong babae lang po, anak ko po ay December 25 siya. Birthday niya, December 25 ya. In the morning, giborin niya. She born in the morning, 2014. In the 7 o'clock, I think 7 or 6 ya. Excuses everyone. She go out in my stomach ya. I have operation that in the morning ya. She is the gift ya. Gift from the above. Because she born in the Christmas time. May 26, my birthday, 26 May. Next, my birthday is my husband, June 19. June 19 ya. My son is July 7 ya. Yes, only my daughter, very special ya. December 25. Kaming tatlo, sunod lang po everyone, sunod ya. May, June, and July. May, June, and July ya. Anak kong babae, very special. Siya lang po ang may cake. Siya lang po ang may cake pag birthday niya kay timing o ba Christmas time. Siya lang po ang bungga. Pero maliliit lang po. Kailangan po may cake siya makablow. Ako 50 years old na. I have to buy a candle everyone. 50 years old. I have to buy a cake everyone. I have to blow kay 50 years old magiging ano po tayo, magpasalamat po tayo kay Abab. Kasi po 50 years old, tibuok na po, kailangan po tayo mag-pray for good health ya. Tibuok na, kailangan bili po ko ng cake ya. Small lang po everyone. Small lang po, kumakain niya ng mga anak ko po, hindi ko po ano, masyadong kumakain ng mga cake. Hindi po. Mga ano lang po, pie. Kasi hindi po hindi po, it's not so sweet. It's not so sweet ang pie, apple pie, apricot pie. Pero pag mga cake, mga anak ko lang po. Favorite po nila ang chocolate cake. Yan po ang paborito nila. At saka husband ko, hindi siya mahilig po ng mga matatamis, hindi po siya mahilig. Ang mga anak ko lang po, pero hindi po everyday. No, there's only if there is the occasion ya. For example, birthday like that, there's only that. Uy, magbababay na po ako everyone. Have a nice day to all everybody. Ingat po kayong lahat everyone. Take care of you. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel everyone. Subscribe for me. Like and share please. Para po makatulong po tayo sa lahat na nangailangan. Wala pa ako. Zero pa. Okay lang po everyone. Oy, no problem. Nasa sa inyo yan. Okay lang po. No problem everybody ya. Bye-bye everyone. Magbababay na po ako ha. Ingat po kayong lahat. At saka thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share please. And take care all of you. Have a nice day to all everyone. Thanks for watching everyone. Thank you. And see you for the next vlog everybody. See you for the next vlog. Guys. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.